Hello and welcome to Ledgersync. My name is Sheldon Freed, and in this video I will show you how to add your first client and how to add a bank account. Let's get started by adding your first client. Click on the Client Management button. From this section you can add or remove any of your clients. Click on Add Client. From there we enter the client's name and email address. There are two ways here to add a client's bank account. One way is to invite the client to add their bank credentials via our secure portal. The second option is you entering the client's bank credentials yourself. To send an invitation to your client, select the preferred option from the invitation list. If you do not wish to send an invitation to your client, simply select Do Not Send Invitation. In this demonstration, we will show you how to add a bank account yourself. Once you've selected your invitation option, we click Add Client. Your client has now been added. A client invitation can always be added at a later time. Now let's add a bank account on Ledgersync. We go back to the main home page. Select your client, then click Add Account. Now enter the name of the bank to add. We are adding the Bank of America. Click Next. Type an account name that will help you identify the bank account. For example, Joe's business account. Click Next. Then enter the bank credentials as if you were logging into the bank's website. Click Next. Ledgersync will then begin to import the financial data for that account. This may take up to several minutes depending on the amount of data to be extracted from the bank account. Once completed, you arrive at the account summary page. Here we are now. Now let's take a look at the data by starting with the transactions. Transactions can be segmented by sub-accounts. Transaction descriptions can then be edited. And check images can be viewed by hovering over the check number. Now we take a look on how to edit check descriptions. Click on the Edit Check icon. From here, you can view and edit all check image descriptions. Now let's go on to the statements. From here, all statements can be viewed and downloaded. Here is your statement. Now that you have an overview on how to add a client and how to add a bank account, I will give you an overview through some of the other functions here on Ledgersync. Account visibility. This allows you to select which sub-accounts to view or what to hide. In client management, as we saw earlier, is to add or remove clients from Ledgersync. In the employment management feature, allows you to create a private login account for the employee. Once the account is created, you're able to assign client accounts to your employees. In billing, here you can see your charges and change your plan on Ledgersync. In the password setting, you could change your own Ledgersync password. Request a new extractor. With this feature, you are able to submit a request to add any bank extractor, which is not currently supported by Ledgersync. In the supported banks, you can find a list of all the banks and credit cards listed that Ledgersync supports. In the notification settings, this list is where you can enable or disable email notifications of any issues that may arise with any account. In client status, from here you're able to monitor that all client bank accounts are running properly and there would not be any bank error messages or notifications. In Dropbox integration, you can automatically back up all your statements and check images. I'm Sheldon Freed. Thank you for watching this Getting Started demo on Ledgersync. More demos will be coming soon. For any questions, email us at support@ledgersync.com.